for example, let's generate some percussion. So percussion, oops, 170 BPM, crunchy, minimal drum machines with I don't know, sharp transients, only drums. I don't know, high quality. I'm not sure that this actually makes sense to put like high quality and stuff like that in the prompt, but it works with the Midjourney. But this algorithm is super new. It's not really that complicated as Midjourney, I think. Just quality. Yeah. Let's try. And now we need to wait 76 seconds. Okay, let's see what AI generated for us. Wow. This part is quite okay. Yeah, I think we can use it. We can try to use it. The thing is, it's actually downloading in MP4 format, and I think the quality is not the best one, but just for fun, I think it's interesting. And I generated a couple of more before the stream. This is the prompt. So yeah, I think in the future it will be able to generate like more high quality stuff. So now we need to decode it to MP3 or WAV. Export audio, yes. Now, here, yes, cool. We can actually try check if they are actually if they are 170 BPM. Yeah, actually, they 170. I'm surprised. Yeah, but sometimes it's glitches. Actually, at the same place. No? No. I like this passage. Let's cut it. here maybe we can use it as like transition at the end of the 16 or 32 bars. Now we need to process them. So we will cut the low frequencies. Let's put wave shaper to make them louder, less dynamic. Although I think the crusher will work here. Again, let's use our compressor. Oops. Wrong one. Okay, yeah, I remember that I want to use today's browser for this limiter here. Yeah, I think the transients is too sharp. Need to cut them just a bit. Let's try to add high frequencies via a plugin called Fresh Air. and another equalizer. Maybe let's try to make it a bit more stereo. So stereo touch is a good plugin to make that. And the reverb. Maybe room reverb. Or maybe plates. Plates also could work. Maybe ambience. We need a short delay, short reverb. Yeah, something like that. Maybe also another reverb to add more space with a longer tail.